Assalamualaikum. For the course BEKC3543 microprocessor, our team wants to explain about our project. Our team project is automatic sliding door. Our group member is Muhammad Rizwan, Muhammad Sabri, Kamarul Azmi bin Adnan, Wafi bin Abdul Ghani, and myself, Muhammad Azlan bin Mahad, and last, Sa'ri bin Abdul Hashim. Now I will to explain about why we choose automatic sliding door projects, because it can save energy and money, convenient and safe, allow easy entry and exit, hands-free and seamless entry and exit, a need for the door to be open for a set amount of time or left unattended.
Mr. Azlan, I would like to continue the presentation because of why we choose the 68K microprocessor. First, the microprocessor is big in memory size. The microprocessor getting more complex, easier to use by user and compiler, neat design, popular and embedded system, and the comprehensive instruction set. The objective of this project is to program automatic sliding door system to use a microprocessor 68K controller to use easy 68K programming software. The problem statement for this project is push-pull sliding door easy to break down. Customer forget to close back the door, cannot maintain air conditioner inside. The project flow for this project is as stated. First, to start the program, sliding door is in closed position. The motion sensor detects the presence of human. Sliding door open position, and the red LED light is also on for 9 seconds. After 9 seconds, the sliding door closed back and the red LED switch off. The system overview of the project is as shown. The motion sensor detects the presence of people or human. It sends data to the 68K microprocessor, and the microprocessor asks the door to open for 9 seconds and the red LED is on. When the motion sensor do not detect any presence of people, the door will close and the red LED is off.
Thank you, Mr. Shari, for the last presentation. So I continue this presentation on the result and discussion. As you can see, this is the coding for this project. So we use the Easy68K programming. So the first one is the door is normally closed. Second one is door is open, and the third one is the door is closed. So this is the graphic for this automatic sliding door. As you can see, no man moving, and also the sensor not detect. For the conclusion and recommendation, for this project we use the microprocessor 68K easy to the program. As usual, the Easy68K is friendly user software. Automatic sliding door is more suitable to use for some reason. The first one is assume the energy saver. Second one is easy of using, and the third one is provide more convenience to all users. Thank you.